going to be very exciting because I've never worked with extracting the DNA, and I'm a hydrologist, as you know. The first thing that we are going to do is to crush, because it's very small.
Yes.
We cannot cut the...
it's very small.
Yeah, so we need to crush and do some other stuff.
The next step?
Yeah, the next step is once we prepare the tubes, we need to put in the snails inside.
Yeah.
So now I have to, every time we try to take the snails, we need to put this thing inside the alcohol so that we don't contaminate the sample. So now we are trying to take the snails. It's a very small one. Oh, you have to take care. And I need to dry the ethanol so that the ethanol is not going to be in the tube. So I'm going to put it in the tube.
Did you crush it already, or you will crush it inside?
It's very difficult to crush. It's very small.
It's become magnetic, the snails, but it's electrical charge.
So here we need to put in, so it's already in. If it is very small, we don't need to crush it. And once it is already prepared like this, the next step is to put in the enzymes and also the, what is the name for the buffer, so that the reaction will take place. So after that, we will extract the and to do that, we need pipette, like a kind of sucker. So it's 180 microliter. So I need to do it like this. I don't need to touch this one because it will be contaminated.
Yes.
So where is the buffer? Arthur is going to open the buffer, and I'm going to get inside slowly. Now it is okay, perfect. I need to put in to the first sample, slowly finished, and I need to throw away this.
And repeat that for all the snails.
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
Now we are further mixing the solution with snail, crushed snail, so that it may help to further digest the process. Then the next step is to put in, what's the name of this? Sorry for...
It's
shaking block.
Shaking block?
I call it shaking block.
So that is where we are going to leave it for 1 to 3 hours. I think for this is for 3 hours. Looking at samples which have been taken from this mixer, which facilitates digestion. So it has been here for 3 hours, and now we are going to mix buffer of alcohol and what's the other one? Yeah, aluminum. So it is again used for facilitating the mixture of the digestion. I hope after a while we will able to extract the DNA, and we will show you the result. Now I am trying to take the 200 microliter of the buffer, and then adding into the solution. Yes. So now what we are doing is we are separating the shell and the solution, where we believe that the DNA is now in the solution, which we are going to take it away later. later on. So our friend here, Sergey, is going to separate and dispose the rest for later purpose. I think the next step is Arthur, can you help me? What is the next step?
So your next step is going to be to centrifuge this so that the DNA binds to the membrane.
Yeah.
And then we're going to wash it.
Awesome. And Sergey, can you show me one of these tubes? Because they are quite special,
which one
right?
do you want?
These ones. Great. Thank you.
What we are going to do is to separate from the solution we have already took from the centrifuge, the mixed solution. And now we have to separate the one which is left on the filter.
Yeah.
We need to separate other unwanted material which we don't need to call it as a part of DNA. So we need to separate other materials from the DNA.
From the DNA, yeah.
So that is what Sergey is doing now. After that, we need to wash the one which is already been separated, and then things will follow.
Okay, great.
This is the last step for today.
Okay.
It's about now. Sergey, our friend here, is adding the 25 microliter kind of warm water, which is a technique introduced by Arthur here, so that the filtering will be much easier. So we need to add 2 times, if possible even 3 times. It depends on the type of the DNA to extract. But here we are going to do twice, adding the water and then trying to.
And after
filter.
that, centrifuge it.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's.
Just like tap it down.
Okay.
So that is for today.
That's it. And then we.
We conclude by saying, working in a lab as a biologist. I am not a biologist, but hydrologist learning biology is very fun. Thank you.
Thank you.